See the woodpecker? Hear all the birds around here? They're vibrating to your unison. See, we own all of the United States, so-called, for all of the land, rivers, lakes, valleys. I just found this red feather while I was on my path. So let me just introduce myself and show you who I am. You know, this is God Body Fitness, you know, now known as God Body Supernatural Healing. So anyways, though, I'm just out here in nature like I always been since I was a little bitty dude, you know what I mean? So just sit back, relax, and I'm gonna take you on a journey in my life, you know what I mean, in the inner city. Wow, in nature. Alright? It's the Minnehaha Creek. Goes all the way to the Mississippi River and flows out. Supposed to have been said it's symbolic to the love of Hiawatha and Minnehaha, how they joined together. Old Native American tale.